President sa atin ngayong hapon. Pero una, gusto ko pong segundahan yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Bagong motion ito, Madam President. Bakit po? Sa ilalim ng Section 24,
Ano naman si Basa?
ni-refer yung unang mosyong binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta noon.
We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why?
Bastos. Di ba?
So, parang tuwang-tuwa ba siya na mayroong nahulong sa amin na hindi namin magamit yun? Kung talaga nagmamalasakit ka at we are colleagues here in one institution, dapat hindi siya magsasabi ng gano'n.
Tama.
BS. Ano ang mga rules.
Yan ang mahilig ka magbendalo. Pag kayo ngayon, nararamdaman nyo na kung ano yung mga iyak, no? Super malala ang pag-iyak na mama.
Paano yun, sir? Paano yun, sir? Ano hindi na magkaroon ng boto?
We just woke up.
No, because we will not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules.
Yes. Good morning mga kasama. Nandito naman tayo si Kuya Goods nagbabalik. At syempre kung hindi ko pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo na rin yung bell para laging updated sa ating mga video. Iyakan na ho at nag-walk out pa. Dahil kung hindi nila gusto ang mga nangyayari, sisibat at iiwanan ang plenary hall. Ganyan ang sitwasyon kahapon. Senador Marcoleta nagsalita na. Matutuwa ka ba kung may makukulong sa amin? Yan ang banat niya dito kay Erwin Tulfo. 'Di ba? Alam nyo, hindi natin maintindihan kung anong utak ng minorya ngayon. Buti pa ang mga mayorya o majority. Talagang solid. Yung 13 na nabuo, buti na lang, solid sila. Dahil kung hindi, kawawa ang bayan. Ipasok natin yan, pero siyempre sa ating dulo ng video, yung shoutout segment natin, at andyan lang po yung join button kung gusto mo sumali sa ating talakayan. Simulan natin dito sa mga bakbakan sa plenary hall. Ang hirap lang, dahil marami ho ang nakarinig, marami ho ang nakakita, talagang yung patutsada nito ni Erwin Tulfo, hindi mo magugustuhan.
Then, I would just like to reiterate for the record the proposal to amend Rule 14, Section 41, Senate Session. The proposal, Madam President, is by way of an additional paragraph, Section 41C, after Section 41B of Rule 14 of the Senate Rules, which will state as follows. Section 41C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using
Ayan naman nakasaad sa rules. Bakit kini-question ito ni Tulfo? 'Di ba? Para saan mapilay ang majority at makuha nyo ang gusto nyong ipasok na si win-win? No way. Walang ganun. Inaalaw ho, ayan, nasa Senate Rules, inaalaw ho, na pwedeng sa Zoom, via Zoom, o online voting, ganun, hindi yung ibang klase mag-isip,
appropriate information and communication technology. I so move, Madam President.
Walk out.
We take note of the motion of Senator Rodante Marcoleta. I recognize Senator Ping Lacson.
Yes, thank you, Madam President. This is a parliamentary inquiry. What is the status of the motion introduced by the Honorable Marcoleta last May 11? Has it been referred to the Committee on Rules?
I am told that it's been referred to the Committee on Rules, Majority Leader.
Okay.
Yes, it has been referred to the Committee on Rules, and that's why in this particular deliberation, the Committee on Rules is giving it back to the floor for plenary action, Madam President.
Thank you, Mr. President. Has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
I believe that Senator Joel Villanueva is the acting majority leader.
Yes.
And would be the best position
Okay.
to answer
Thank
the
you,
question.
Madam President.
In the meantime, I recognize Senate President Cayetano.
Madam Chair, with the permission of Senator Villanueva, so the Committee on Rules is not reporting out the
No, my
The
question, Mr.
proposal.
President, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Madam President, with your permission. My question is, has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
Yes. So, Madam President, the answer there is the same answer to the question of Senator Pangilinan and former Senate President Soto, that in accordance with Section 19,
Yan.
this the same. They continue to function. Having said that, I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, the rules may be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least 1 day before its consideration, and a vote of majority senators present shall be required for its approval. So you do not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules for the amendment of the Committee on for the amendments of the rules. So the only requirement is that it is put on the floor at least 1 day before, or the proposal is made, and that a majority of the senators present will vote for its approval. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that we don't have any miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, who are the members, etc. Because right now that's irrelevant, because we have given back to the plenary the proposal. Yeah.
Very clear. Thank you, Senate
Madam
President.
President,
Ngayon na naman.
Senator Lacson's recommendation.
does it mean that we are now disregarding the committees? of
Wala
the
sinabing disregarding. Ito naman, mahina naman ang kukote nito. Oh.
Senate? So the committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution referred to it in plenary, and then just, it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President, Madam
It
President?
is
Madam
clearly...
There's no new rule. I read the rule.
Yes.
Senator Lacson is referring to resolutions or
And motions.
communications or anything referred to the Committee on Rules. We're talking about a motion to amend the rules. We had the option of taking it up, but since everyone asked for 1 more day, it was given to the Committee on Rules. The Committee on Rules has an option to take it up, but the acting majority leader or acting chairman of the committee gave it back to plenary, and the plenary is more, how do I put it,
Supreme.
supreme, thank you, Senator Lacson, over the committee. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start.
Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ibang klase ang utak ng abogado sa hindi abogado. Binanatan niya kagad eh. Di ba? Ano to? Dinidisregard na ba natin? Wala naman sinabi si Senator Cayetano na di-disregard eh. Ipapasa sa plenary, bahala na si plenary kung pagpapatuloy. Ganon. Lawakan niyo yung utak niyo, hindi yung papachi-pachi lang. May masabi lang, akala mo ba?
Whether we want to give it to the committee or not. So when we give it, so for example, I have a motion now to to extend the session to June 12 instead of June 5. That could be given to the Committee on Rules, or upon coordination with the House, the plenary can decide it directly, or we can give it to the Committee on Rules, and after he talks to the House of Representatives, he can even report it out, or he can easily, legally, morally, just say that I am tossing it back to the plenary, which is what's happening today. So
Thank
it's
you,
not a
Madam
new
President.
rule.
That is assuming that there was no referral. But in this case, and I'd like to invite the attention of the body to Journal number 62, dated May 11, 2026. And if I may read the particular portion of this journal, proposed At 6:25 p.m., the session was resumed. Proposed amendment to the rules of the Senate. Senator Marcoleta proposed an amendment to Rule 14, Senate sessions of the rules, by inserting a new paragraph C under Rule 41, which reads, A or C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology. Now, here's the portion, Mr. President, or Madam President. While expressing no objection to the proposal, Senate President Cayetano A. suggested giving the Committee on Rules time to discuss the matter. Now, my question is, was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Apparently, there was none, because it's now being reported out by the acting majority leader without consultation with any of the members. And by the way, Madam President, wala pang Committee on Rules eh.
I believe that it was mentioned, and I will reiterate from my understanding that there was no Committee on Rules meeting because that motion is reverted back to plenary.
Madam Chair.
Meaning, we are not ignoring the fact that, of course, committees must hold meetings, but this particular motion is being referred back to plenary. And may we just put on record, it says in Rule or Section 136, the rules may also be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day, and we're complying with that, before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session shall be required for its approval. I believe that is what the Senate President had explained.
Evidently, Madam President.
Ayan na
actually-
naman, ayaw niya tumigil. Alam niyo, ang hirap talaga umintindi pag pinipilit nila yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi nila magugustuhan. Kaya nga nagkaroon ho ng bangayan, nagkainitan pa nga eh. Itong si Senador Marcoleta at ito si Virus, dahil nga hindi maganda, siguro hindi na nagugustuhan yung sinasabi ni Senador Marcoleta, kaya ito, uminit siguro ang ulo. Ay pasok nga natin yan. Kasi talagang, ewan ko kung kayo ang ang tawag dito, kayo ang a-analyze, ibang klase yung mga lumalabas sa bibig ng mga minority. Pasok.
Madam President, napakasimple lang. Ito pong Section 136, Paragraph 2,
Yan.
is a special provision in precisely amending our rules. In Section 24 po, this is a general rule. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, it presupposes that it will take up all the bills referred to that committee. General po yung function niya. 136, second paragraph, is a special provision. Sa principle po ng batas, yun pong special provision takes precedence over a general provision. Yun lang po, basahin po ninyo. Hindi nga po, it will not even take one day because this is not a new motion. Kung mapapansin nyo, ni-reiterate ko lang po ito eh. It was already moved last May 11 pa po. So that is even more than one day. So who is talking about one day here? Ang pinag-uusapan po natin, unless we respect Section 136, ang linaw-linaw po, it talks about the rules may also be amended. Diretso po ito eh.
Yan.
So this takes precedence over Section 24. Simpleng-simple lamang po ito eh.
Madam President.
Napakasimpleng bagay. Hindi na nila alam niyo, hindi matanggap nito mga minority. 'Di ba? Ang pinupunto rito ni Senador Marcoleta, nakasulat sa rules. Bakit talagang ibang klase rin talaga mag-isip itong mga dorobo, no? Ibang-iba talaga. Bakit? May plano, may gusto, susungkitin ang liderato. Ganon. At mamadaliin. Para saan? Yung Noel. Andyan na naman yung usapin ng Noel. Natatandaan nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ni Bangag na puro deniable. Nung nagkaroon na ng sinasabi na aresto ni Senador Bato, noong una, todo tanggi ito si Ngagba na walang aaresto. Yan, inaaresto na si Senador Bato. Ngayon, uunti-untiin na. May kaso na ho si Senador Marcoleta, Jinggoy, Villanueva, Escudero, apat na ho. Apat na ho na senador. Oh, Senator Bato, Jinggoy, Villanueva, Chis Escudero. 'Di ba? Marcoleta, Bato, Villanueva, Jinggoy, Escudero. 5 na. Oh. Kaso ang problema, tignan natin kung ano yung kahinat na nito.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. We recognize Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Salamat, Madam President. Meron din po akong substantive na interpellation sa motion ngayong araw na nire-raise o itatalakayin ni Senator Marcoleta yung text na pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin ngayong hapon. Pero una, gusto ko pong segundahan yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Bagong motion ito, Madam President. Bakit po? Sa ilalim ng Section 24,
Ano naman si Basa?
ni-refer yung unang mosyong binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta noon sa Committee on Rules. Ngayon kung sasabihin na ibinalik yung mosyong iyon, yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary, sino ang gumawa nun? Dapat ang Committee on Rules. Na-initiate na po ang prosesong iyon alinsunod sa Section 24. Hindi pa nga po nako-constitute ang Committee on Rules. Wala pa nga pong minority contingent sa Committee on Rules. So wala pang body na pwedeng ibalik yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary. Kaya ko sinusugundahan ang sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Ito pong mosyon na gustong talakayin ni Senator Marcoleta at pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin, bagong mosyon po siya. Kung kaya't nag-a-apply po ang Rule Section
Basa,
136 na kailangan bigyan ng isang araw pa pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan,
Mali.
sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito
Senator
pong
Marcoleta.
mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya
Tama.
sinasabi ko na nga po, hindi po bagong motion ito eh. Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito
Madam
eh. Sino po
President,
magsasabi na bagong motion?
point of order.
Ayun na naman, Point of order.
Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President.
kanina ko po
Ano
sinasabi.
kabastusan, Kabastusan ng point of order. Tingnan nyo.
Tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin nyo
130.
kasama
Ayan
niya.
tignan nyo Tignan nyo kung paano umasta.
Pwede po
Ay,
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman.
suspended.
Pwede po
Walang
bang
alam sa
pagbigyan?
batas.
Yes,
Senator Cayetano.
I'm listening to the two senators, and as I mentioned kanina na wag na tayong gumamit ng brasuhan, etc. And I see the point of Senator Risa, but I'm also listening to Senator Marcoleta. It's kumbaga sa libro, iba yung love language, but I don't think they're meant to be any offense. Having said that, we're only discussing whether we will take up the amendment or not. And we have exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. May I reiterate my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Madam Chair,
Walk out na.
Madam President,
Before that,
Madam President,
yes, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is, why
Ayun na.
is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference,
May tagabuyo
video
sa likod,
conference,
oh.
or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate informations and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? does that fall under force majeure or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question
Madam
is,
Chair.
why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? I need...
Pag hindi sa inyo pumapabor, iyak kayo ng iyak. Di ba? Pag pumapabor sa inyo, wow, todo ngiti. Halakhak. Ngayon, nararamdaman nyo na kung ano yung minority at majority. Nararamdaman nyo. Kung hindi sa inyo papabor, sorry kayo. Minority kayo eh. Di ba? Papabor yan sa majority. Kaya huwag kayong iyakin. Masyado kayong iyakin.
We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why?
Bastos. Di ba? Kung sa inyo mangyari yan, paktay kayo diha.
Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair.
Nasa rules yan. Magbasa ka ng rules. Sinabi ho ng Supreme Court, pag hindi pa ho, kahit nakasuhan na ang isang senador at hindi pa natatanggal, pwede ho siyang bumoto pagdating dito. Bakit kayo nagmumukhang eng-eng? Na parang wala kayong alam at parang aping-api kayo. Aba.
The
We recognize
gentleman
Senator-
is out
Senate
of
President.
order because his question sa nagmamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion.
Tama.
Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the
Naglabasa,
Senate
no?
because you assume good faith from everyone.
Yeah,
That
walk
rule
out.
hindi minadali. May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via viva voce.
Madam President,
Ayan na siya.
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call.
Yak.
That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
Iyak ang mga minority.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
On Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we
President,
adjourn.
motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable. Akala ko ba
I,
magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
It's not
We're not
debatable, Madam
debating
President.
minority
Parliamentary
vote.
Madam
Madam
adjourn.
President.
We're
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum, yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walkout ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit naka-present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
A
upon
quorum
a situation,
call,
Madam President, when
motion
they,
to-
when they
motion to
readily
adjourn
and willingly walk out.
takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
Kung
President,
sakasakali
As
po,
reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday
And we will adjourn session
until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m. on Monday.
Ayan ha. Kita nyo yung mga iyakin, nag-walk out. Ngayon, tignan nyo, panoorin nyo ang mga sinabi. Kita nyo yung kabastusan ng ano, pati ba naman mga kasama. Gusto talaga nilang makulong, di ba?
So, parang tungtuwa ba siya na merong nakulong sa amin na hindi namin magamit yun? Kung talaga nagmamalasakit ka at we are colleagues here in one institution, dapat hindi siya magsasabi ng gano'n.
Tama.
Ako, kamumusyon ko pa lang talaga nakala mo yun. Parang meron silang piniprevent na may sila pala yung, ang iisipan pala nila, gano'n eh. Kami wala kaming iniisip na gano'n. Pero wag dapat silang mag-speculate. Payagan muna nila yung aming trabaho, deliberative body, parliamentary body.
Nakuha nyo. Kasi parliamentary body, kailangan talakayin. Aprubahan muna. Kasi kung hindi papayagan bumoto itong mga ibang senador, hindi ho pwede. Paano pa naging senador sila? Kaya nga yung ginagawa ng mga kalaban, nakasuhan itong mga ibang senador na nasa majority para makuha nila ang panalo. Pero siyempre, hindi basta ganun lang. Matatalino at magaling na abogado si Senador Marcoleta. Kesa dito sa, alam niyo naman, tignan nyo. Si Bendalo.
Pero muna na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media na ilalabas na warrant of arrest. Para makaboto yung mga yun na makukulong. Kung sino man yun, para makaboto sila, makakulong man sila. Common sense, hindi naman tayo tanga, journalist tayo, di ba?
Oo, hindi ka nga tanga. Iyakin.
Common sense. Yes, sir. BS. Kung ano mga rules.
Yan ang mahilig ka magbendalo. Pag kayo ngayon, nararamdaman nyo na kung ano yung mga iyak, no? Super malala ang pag-iyak na mama. Ano ang mangyayari nito? Sa Lunes, alas 5 ng hapon, pag-uusapan. Hindi naman kayo mananalo Dahil i-11 lang kayo. O 11. Tapos sa 12, panalo pa rin yung yung 12 kaysa sa 11. Ano magagawa nyo? Magangaw-ngaw kayo, wala na kayong makukuha at mahihila doon sa mga dating kasama nyo. Senator Pia Cayetano, sino papanigan? Kayo, kapatid niya. Doon ako sa kapatid niya. Senator Loren Legarda, nakasama nyo. Sino papanigan? Kayo, yung sa anak niya. Doon ako sa anak niya. O yung 2 bilyar, sino papanigan? Nakita ng mga ugali nyo. Ano gagawin natin dyan? Di mag-iiyak na lang kayo. Pati yung mga, yung minority leader, tingnan nyo, kung ano-ano pa yung mga pinupunto. At ang pangit lang, di ba? Ayaw nyo munang pag-aralan. Yung mga kagustuhan nila, ang dami nyo kasing iniisip para sirain o buwagin ang majority. Dito tayo ngayon. Nag-iiyakan na lang.
Sir, paano po yun? Paano yun, sir? Paano yun, sir? Ano hindi na magkaroon ng botohan?
We just woke up. No, because we will not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules, of the Senate rules. Hindi kami papayag sa mga niloloko tayo.
Anong sila pwedeng magbotohan, sir? Hindi sila pwedeng magbasa ng motion ngayon, sir. Sir, hindi sila pwedeng magbotohan. Sir, paano kayo?
Violation of the rules.
Because they are disobeying our rules.
Mali. Iyak. Walk out.
Sino yung botohan nila? Sir, kayo ngayon. Sir, paano yun? Hindi pwede magbotohan kasi wala silang quorum.
Walang quorum. We have no quorum.
Okay, sir.
Sinabi na nga ng minority leader nyo. Sa Lunes, 5 o'clock. Doon may magkakaroon ng quorum. Pag kayo natalo sa bilangan, wag na kayo masyadong mag-iiyak. Tigil-tigilan nyo na rin. Hindi makakabuti sa inyong kalusugan, lalo na pag na-stress kayo. Hindi nyo naman kayang tapatan ang galing ni Senador Marcoleta Di ba? Kahit anong gawin yung pilit, hindi nyo kaya. Doon pa lang, sa mga binabasa nyo, si Senador Marcoleta, hindi ho binabasa. Kasi nga, unang-una, abogado, trial lawyer, magaling. 'Di ba? Eh kayo, nasa minority, ano ho yung pagkakilala sa inyo? Kung hindi ganyan, ngaw-ngaw ng ngaw-ngaw. Iba, abogado nga yung iba, kaso nga lang, wala atang, alam mo yun, hindi kayang tapatan yung galing ni Senador Marcoleta. Oo. Uubusin talaga nila ang majority. Yan ang mangyayari. Bakit? Pipilitin nila. Sabi rito ni Attorney Harry Roque.
Gabi, Admar at MJ. Opo, nabasa niyo na po ba ang iba't ibang mga opinyon ng mga maestrado po ng Supreme Court patungkol nga po dito sa kanilang desisyon? At ano bang masasabi niyo po?
Nabasa ko na po, no, at ang malinaw doon sa iba't ibang desisyon ng Korte Suprema, hindi po nila dinesisyonan sa merito yung mga issue na dinigin namin sa hukuman. No? Isa po kasi sa petisyon doon ay hawak ko yung petisyon ni Congressman Duterte. No? At ang mga issues na re-resolbahan pa lang ng Korte ay kung mayroon pa ba talagang obligasyon na makipagtulungan tayo sa ICC at kung po pwede ba na maka-aresto ng isang akusado sa bisa na isang ICC warrant ay hindi dumadaan sa lokal na hukuman. Hindi pa po yan sinagot ng hukuman. Ang tanging sagot lang ng hukuman, meron bang karapatan na malalabag si Senator Bato na kapag hindi nag-issue ng TRO ang hukuman at kung walang TRO ay magkakaroon ng irreparable injury. At ang naging opinyon ng karamihan ng ating mga hukom ay walang ganyang karapatan na malalabag kasi nga nung sinampa yung petisyon na yan, yung additional allegations in support of TRO na yan, ay nagkaroon ng deklarasyon ang Senado na bibigyan ng protective custody si Senator Bato. So lumalabas dun sa main decision ng ponente na dahil meron ng protection na binigay ang Senado kay Senator Bato, hindi na niya kinakailangan ng TRO. Pero sa tingin ko, hindi kasi na-include doon sa petisyon yung putukan na nangyari, no? Na talaga magkakaroon ng irreparable injury dahil po pwede magkaroon ng patayan, no? Mabuti na lang walang patayan nangyari dyan sa pagkakataon na yon. Pero yun nga po, no? Limitado kasi tayo sa aligasyon ng motion at hindi tayo po pwede lumabas doon sa aligasyon ng motion kahit ano pang mangyari, no? Miski nakikita pa ng mga justices yung mga nangyari sa telebisyon, pag hindi nakasaad yan sa motion, hindi bibigyan ng pansin.
Yan talagang mangyayari dyan. Mangyayari at mangyayari. Sisirain ang majority dyan. Dito naman tayo sa shoutout segment natin, ha? Alright. At siya nga pala, paki-subscribe si Mang Banat. Yung lagi kong binabanggit dito. Magaling yun. Magaling na bata. Kaya, subscribe nyo na. Ito yung kanyang YouTube channel. Ito Mang Banat. Ayan meron na tayong kakampi. Salamat doon sa mga nag-subscribe na dyan. Thank you. At dito tayo sa shoutout segment natin. Shoutout tayo mula kay kanino? Excuse me, nasing na ako. Mula kay Alvin Watchador Vlog. Shoutout po from Lucena. Technician siya ng Relo, Lucena. Tuti Marang. Shoutout po sa iyo from Palawan. Ma'am Damanusan from Texas, USA. Romulo Di Venegracia. Shoutout po. Jamix TV. Shoutout po sa iyo. Lauren Chin. Viana Aranda. Shoutout po. Veronica Peralta. Shoutout po. Jezebel Relatado, shoutout po sa iyo. Eden Prescaciosa, shoutout po. Inday GTB, shoutout po sa inyo. Wilba Tubio, shoutout po. Malu The Survivor Mix Club, shoutout po. Elenta Cosenbido, shoutout po sa iyo. Vilma Salud, shoutout po sa iyo. Julia Sugiyama, shoutout po. Marciana De La Cruz, shoutout po. Rachel Edigan. Naku, malulubat na tayo. Baby Ruth, Yolego, Analisa Pasqua, shoutout po sa inyo. Bahay ni Foda, shoutout po. Waldo, shoutout po. Rene Candel, shoutout po. Marciana Capasya, shoutout po. Clarence Alcabasa, shoutout po sa iyo. Anton Sawyer, shoutout po. Mark Sonistrada, shoutout po sa iyo. Elsa Hitman Mercado, shoutout po sa inyo. Ayun, naglobat na. Ayan. Ayan kung umabot ka sa video natin yan, sa mga hindi na shoutout, susunod na lang po. Hanggang sa muli yung aking paglalambing naman, like sa inyo yung video. Bye-bye!